Okay, so check these steps out. This is one of the things I was really excited about on our Grand Design, is the solid steps. We had the standard style steps previously, and they were okay, but you did get a lot of bounce in them, and they were kind of high off the ground occasionally, and a little bit difficult for you know, the kids to get up on, the dogs to get up on, so on and so forth. So this is one of the things I was really excited about when we got this Grand Design. It's fantastic solid steps, but guess what? You're in storage, and you're going to bring your steps down, and you're going to hit your neighbor's rig, right? Well, fortunately, MORryde looked at that and realized that was going to be an issue immediately, and so they decided to go ahead and make the hinges so that you can disconnect them. So all you have to do, if you find yourself, like most people with RVs, at your storage and needing to get your steps down but not enough room, is there's two hinges. Each one has a pin that slides out. You just got to wiggle it until it comes loose. Slides out. Stow it off to the side here. And then make sure you have a good handle on these once you do that, because it's no longer connected to the trailer. So make sure you got a good hang on it when you go to take them out. Slide the blue latch over to the side, just like you would when you're deploying them, to clear the door frame. Get a good handle on it, lift them up and out to clear the door frame. Flip them over. Get them turned around, pointing in the right direction, and then just drop them into place on your, where the hinges are already. Once you've done that, it is recommended you put the pins back in to secure them, but it does sit on this frame quite well. The steps are solid, and you got all the access you need now, and as you can tell, it clearly extends past the bottom of my neighbor's rig here, so we definitely wouldn't be able to get them out without taking the steps out. So if you find yourself in a situation where it is narrow, you don't have enough space, that is an option to get them out. Just make sure that you're able to pick these up. They do weigh probably around 30-40 pounds, so you might need assistance with it. One of the other things to consider with these solid steps, though, also, is that when you're using them at a campsite, make sure that they can extend, or that they can fold all the way down prior to unhooking and hooking everything up, because if they can't go all the way down, if they can't hinge all the way down, you won't be able to close your door, and you don't want to find that out after you've gotten your water and cable and everything hooked up, because you'll be hooking right back up to the truck and moving your trailer into a better position to be able to drop them down. So just keep that in mind when you're using these MORryde steps.